Hello everyone, you're welcome back to today's math class. We are still on algebra and our topic today is three-step equation. In our previous class, we learned two-step equation and today we'll be learning three-step equation. And I would like you to pay attention so you understand every step of it. Let's have it. This is three-step equation. When you have something like this, because we want to eliminate this denominator, this denominator, we want to remove it so that we'll be left we'll be left with 3m minus 12 equals to 8. And how are we going to do that? What we are going to do is to multiply both sides by 3. We are going to multiply both sides by 3 so that we can eliminate this 3. We can remove this 3. This 3. 3m minus 12 over 3 equals to 8. The next thing we are going to do is to multiply both sides by 3. We multiply both sides by 3. We added 3 here and 3 here. So here 1, here 1. We use this 3 to divide, to cancel, we cancel 3, cancel here, 3 cancel here. Then we bring down our 3m minus 12 equals to 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So we are left with this thing now. We're having 3m minus 12 equals to 24. The next thing we are going to do is to break down your 3m. Don't forget that we have been solving something like this often. We have been solving it even in our previous class. We solved something like this. When you have something like this 12 is having minus. We have minus 12 here. And this minus 12, when it crosses this equal sign to meet 24, this minus sign is going to change from minus to plus. We have 24 plus 12. 3m equals to 24 plus 12. Bring down your 3m equals to 24 plus 12, which is going to give us 36. We have 3m, 24 plus this 12 gives us 36. The next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides by 3. We have 3m equals to 36. The next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides by 3. 3m over 3 equals to 36 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. M equals to 3 here 1. 3 in 36 is 12. That means our m is 12. You know, in this question here, we did not know our m. They asked us to find the value of m. We did not know this m. Now, this our m is now 12. Let's check whether our answer is correct. This 12 now, we replace this 12. We replace this m with this 12. We want to say 3 times this 12 will give us 36. 36 minus this 12 will give us 24. 24 divided by 3 will give us this 8. That means the answer is correct. Let's go again. They gave us 3m minus 12 equals to 8 over 3. The next thing we are going to do is to multiply both sides by 3. We have 3 and I've added 3 here. These 3 cancel this 3. We're now left with 3m equals to 3m minus 12 equals to 24 because 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. 3m equals to this minus 12. When it crosses this equal sign to be 24, it will change to plus. Then we are having 3m equals to 24 plus 12. It's going to give us 36. Bring down your 3m. Then we have 3m equals to 36. The next thing we are going to do so that this m will stand alone is to divide both sides by 3, which we did here. 3m over 3 equals to 36 over 3. 3 divided itself is 1. 3 here is 1. 3 here 1. 3 in 36 is 12. That means our m is 12. Let's check. Let's check our answer. Now our m is 12. Hmm? We replace this m with this 12. 3 times 12. 3 times that means this 12. 3 times this 12 give us 36. 36 minus this 12 give us 24. 24 divided by this 3 give us this 3. That is our final answer. I hope you understand what I explained. Let's move to example 2. We'll be taking example 2 in case if you don't understand what I solved in example 1. Please pay attention so you understand it better in example 2. This is our example 2. This is our example 2. We have y minus 6 over 5 equals to 3. And in this case, let's solve it. Bring down your y. We want to, like we solved in question 1, we want to eliminate this denominator, this 5, which is the denominator, so that y minus 6 will stand alone. We want to remove this fraction. We want to remove this fraction. The next thing we're going to do is to multiply both sides by 5. We're going to be multiplying both sides by 5. 5. 5. Added 5 here and 5 here. That means 5, 5 here, 1, 5 will cancel this. 5 will cancel this 5. This 5 cancel this 5. Then we are left with y minus 6 equals to 3 times 5 is 15. This is what we are left with. I hope you understand it to this person. Y equals to 15 plus 6. This one now, y minus 6 equals to 15. 3 times 5 is 15. This y, look at it. This minus sign, this is it. This 6, this is it here. This 5, we eliminated it because we multiplied both sides by 5. This 5 cancel this 5. That means that one is out. This is what we are left with. Then, as well, I always said, we have y minus 6. The 6 is carrying minus. This minus belongs to 6. So when it crosses this equal sign to meet 15, this minus will change from minus to plus. That's why you have y equals to 15 plus 6. You understand it to this place now. You have y equals to 15 plus 6 is going to give us 21. That means our y is 21. Understand what I solved here? Let's check. Let's check our answer. That means we do not know our y before. Our y is now 21. Then we replace this y with 21. We replace the y with the 21 because y is 21. 21 minus 6 give us 15. This 21 minus 6 will go to give us 15. 15 divided by 5 is going to give us 3. Let me write it out here. Now, instead of writing y, I'll write 21. 21 minus 6 is going to give us 15. Then here, because 3 times 3 times 5 is going to give us 15. That means 5 here 1, 5 is 15 is going to give us 3. That means it's 3. We are correct. Let me explain again. We replace this y with 21. 21, 21 minus this 6 will give us 15. 15 divided by this 5 will give us this 3. I hope you are I hope you understand it. Let's move to example 3. This is example 3. I hope we have solved 2 questions now and you know you can understand the process, right? We have x plus 8 over 4 equals to 5. The next thing we are going to do is to multiply the both sides by 4. Why? Because we want this 4 to be out, this denominator to be out. We want to eliminate it so that we'll be left with x plus 8. X plus 8 over 4 equals to 5. We are multiplying both sides by 4. We are multiplying both sides. I added 4 here, 4 here. Then 4 cancel this 4. 4 cancel this 4. Bring down your s plus 8 equals to 5 times 4 is going to give us 20. Then you have s equals to. Do you remember that this 8 is having plus, right? When it crosses this equal sign, it's going to change from this plus now to minus. We have 21 minus 8. S equals to 12. Hope you understand what I did here. You understand what I did here, right? You see, this question, mathematics is not that hard. The only what you need is you just understand the formula, the method, the steps, you are good to go. That's it. This question you are looking so, if you see this question looks so hard, but it's so simple to solve if you understand the formula and the logic to solve it. We have this is the question they gave us. This is the question they gave us this question. We want to eliminate this four, this denominator, so that we'll be left with s plus 8. And the only way we can eliminate this 4 is multiplying both sides by 4. That I added 4, 4 here, 4 here. Then this 4 cancel itself. We left with 8 plus s plus 8 equals to 5 times 4 is going to give us 20. S Benjamin S equals this 8 is having plus. When it crosses this equal sign to meet 20, it's going to change from plus to minus. We have 20 minus 8. S equals to 12. I hope you understand what we have been solving. That is your answer. If you want to check, if you want to check whether the answer is correct, the thing we are going to do is we already know that our S is 12. We replace this S with this 12. Then 12 plus this 8 is going to give us 20. 12 plus 8 is going to give us 20. Let me solve it. We have gotten our S is 12. 12, this 12 now plus this 8 is 20. 20 divided by 4 give us this 5, which is our final answer. I hope you understand what we have been solving. Let's move to our last example for today's class. The, sorry, number 4. Our question number 4. We have 4. We have 4p. This is p. We have 4p plus 16 over 4 equals to 6. Please, I would like you to pay attention, please. We have 4p plus 16 equals to 4p plus 16 over 4 equals to 6. In this case, now I want to take my time to explain this one because this is the last example. I want to take my time to explain it very well in details. This, this 4, which is the denominator, we want to remove it so that we can be able to solve it. And our aim purpose of doing that is that we want this p to stand on its own without nothing attached to it. We want this p to stand on this own, and to solve it, we first of all eliminate this 4, which is the denominator. We have to remove it, and the next step we are going to do is to multiply both sides by 4. You understand what I did here? 4p plus 16 over 4. I multiply the both side by 4 so that we can be able to eliminate this 4. Then we cancel. This 4 cancel this 4. That means this 4 now is out. We are left with 4p plus 16 equals to 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 4 is 24, right? You bring down we are left with, as we have already eliminated the 4, we are left with this 4p plus 16 equals to 6 times 4 is 24. And the next thing we are going to do is 4p. This 4p, this plus, this 16 is having plus, and when it crosses this equal sign to meet 24, it's going to change. This plus is going to change from plus to minus. We'll be having 24 minus 16. You're understanding what I'm doing? 24 minus 16. We bring down this 4p plus 16 equals to 24. You bring down your 4p. This 16 is having plus. This plus belongs to this 16. And this 16, when it crosses this equal sign, when this 16 crosses this equal sign to meet 24, this plus sign is going to change from plus to minus. We bring down your 4p equals to 24 minus 16. I hope you understand what I'm solving. Then we have 4p equals to 8. Bring down your 4p. 24 minus 16 is 8. We are left with 4p equals to 8. The next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides by 4. We have 4p equals to 8. This is it. Then we have 4p over 4 equals to 8 over 4. This 4 divided itself 1. Here 1. We have p equals to 2 here 2, 2 here 4, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Our p is 2. Our final answer is 2. Our p is 2. Then let's check. Before we did not know our p. Now our p is 2. Replace this p with this 2. This 4 times 2 is going to give us 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. 8 plus 16 will give us 24. 24 divided by this 4 will give us this 6. Again, we want to check whether our answer is correct. Our p, before we did not know our p, but now our p is 2. Let's check whether it's correct. We replace this p with 2. This 2. 4 times 2 is going to give us 8. 8 plus 16 is going to give us 24. Then 24 divided by this 4 give us 16, which is our final answer. I hope you understand today's class. We continue this 3-step equation in our next class. Thank you so much for joining this class. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in our next class. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.